So today we're working on a fireplace that it's tight, but it won't stay lit. It will shut off after approximately 20 to 30 minutes of operation. Let's find out what's wrong with it. Okay, after diagnosis, we realized that there's a problem with the thermocouple. We're gonna go ahead and replace that. Okay, so that's that. Now we're just gonna pack up the tools and head out of here. That was a lot of fun. I really love what I do. I just replaced the thermocouple on that fireplace. It shouldn't have an issue with whatever we was doing before. The customer is very happy with what he sees, and I'm very happy with what I done. Okay, so we just got to Soho, where we're gonna look at a chimney that it's mucking up the building. Let's check it out. So here's our problem. Got it. This right here is a chimney in question. It's been dusting the whole building up. It was quite bad.